Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch this product review. Appreciate your time. Huge shout out to Nulaxy for sending me the BR01 Bluetooth portable audio receiver. Got your user manual that came in the box. You also have your standard USB charging cable, your standard 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable, and you get a 3.5 audio adapter. And the star of the show, the Bluetooth portable audio receiver from Nulaxy. And we're going to look at this a little closer here in just a moment. But as always, I will be leaving a link down below in the description area. And when you hit that link, it'll take you over to Amazon. And this is what you'll see. Nulaxy BR01 Bluetooth receiver, wireless car kit, aux sound adapter for car, home, stereo, headphones, speaker system, up to 60 feet range. Bluetooth 4.1, CSR, A2DP, hands-free call, CBC, noise canceling. A lot of information there, and you get some pictures as well. Okay, and if you scroll down below, a lot more information. So please read everything before ordering. $15.99 gets you the Nulaxy Bluetooth portable audio receiver. So what we're going to do is look at this little guy really quick. You got your multi-function button here, which will allow you to receive phone calls, hang up, and if you miss a phone call, you can double click on that multi-function button there, and it will redial for you. Up top, you have your on-off switch. If you turn that on, that little area should light up. Good, we got some juice. That's great. We will be syncing this to my smartphone, and we will be using the adapter to plug into my stereo system, my car stereo system out of my car. Also, you do have, when you're charging, you do have a little LED light right up there. I think you can see that right there. And your USB charging port area. And you have your plus and minus buttons there. Increase volume, decrease volume, skip, previous. Okay, so let's go plug the BR01 Bluetooth portable audio receiver into my car. See how it works. All right, everybody. In one hand, I have the Nulaxy Bluetooth audio receiver. The other hand, I have the 3.5 millimeter audio adapter. We are going to plug that in just like that. Then we are going to turn on, and you should see the Nulaxy audio receiver light up just like that. It's ready to go. I'm going to plug it into my car stereo system in the auxiliary jack port area there. And that is still going. Great. I charged it all the way up. And then we're going to go over to my settings, go to connections, to Bluetooth. We're going to turn that on, and it should find the BR01 Bluetooth audio receiver. There it is. And then we are going to, they're synced. Now we're going to pair, and that should come right up top. And I think you heard that. We have connection. So now at this point, basically all I have to do I'm going to go over to my settings and make sure I have all my other music turned off, just my free music, so I don't get myself into trouble. We're going to go down here, turn that off, and down here, turn that off, so we can play some free non-copyrighted music. Okay, go to artist. And let's start with the arrival. Okay, so I have the Nulaxy turned all the way up. Well, I thought I did. It is now. And you can hear that. That means it's all the way up. So I'm going to leave that all the way up so I can control the volume with just my stereo. And that's going to be much easier for me to do that. As you can see, it's playing on my S9 Plus through my speaker system with the Nulaxy Bluetooth audio receiver connected to through my auxiliary jack port area there. Now, if I press and hold for about 1.5 seconds, it should skip the music here to the next tune. Just like that. About 1.5 seconds. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the minus symbol on this button down below. About 1.5 seconds to go back. Do that again. Let's do that again one more time. Okay, now if I want to turn down the volume with the Nulaxy audio receiver, I'm going to quick click. Okay. And then I want to turn it up. Plus symbol button there. Quick click. And it's all the way up. And then I can use my volume control on my stereo system. They're just like that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. But let's say I just want to make a random phone call. I'm going to dial 611. I'm going to call T-Mobile customer care.
How can I help you today? You can say anything from representative to change rate plan to make a payment. So briefly, tell me the reason for your call.
Representative.
Okay, I'll get you over to a representative. For verification, please enter.
I'm now going to disconnect the call by hitting the multifunction button right here on top. And that's it. I've hung up. And I've gone back to the music that I was playing. That simple, that easy. Now, let's say you're getting a phone call in. I mentioned this earlier in the video, and you missed that phone call. You double click on the multifunction button there. That's lit up, and it'll redial for you so you can get back to the phone call that you missed. Okay, that's also play and pause along with answering the phone call, disconnecting from the phone call. Again, double click, and you'll be able to redial. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Any questions, leave some feedback down below. So my next video, man, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Again, shout out to Nulaxy for sending me this product to review for all of you. The BR01 Bluetooth audio receiver from Nulaxy. I'll be leaving the link in the description area. God bless.